You wake up one day and you realize that you're 25, you're 30, you're 35, you're 40, and that you really don't have anything to show for it. You've spent all of your money, you've tried course after course trying to make money, and nothing's really just stuck to the ground and really brought forth the vision, the dream, the trips, the extra money that you envision yourself having by now. Does that sound like something that you've gone through at all? Well, it's definitely been something I went through. And I completely understand because I've done it all. I've made money doing it all. I've failed at it all. And I still make a lot of mistakes. But in this video, what I'm going to show you is a very simple way with hardly any money. I'm not going to say no money, but hardly any money to start a business that will bring you, your first $50,000 or your first $100,000 business. And I'm going to show you how to do this. This is very simple. You can do this at your own pace, but realistically, we're looking at 9 to 12 months. I'm not talking about being on TikTok or anything like that. This is a real legitimate way to build an online business that is profitable, that can bring you extra income every single month. You want to know how to do it? Stay tuned. This subject is very near and dear to my heart. This is how I would recommend the newbie, the person who's just beginning their online adventures, how to make some real money online. Now, if you have already been doing this for quite some time and you're just looking to gain some traction, hang in there because this actually works. Put some money in your pockets, feel the weight of it, see the results come, and hopefully, build from there. Then probably start challenges and Facebook ads and stuff after you've made the money. You don't need to hop on to all these other different courses and new things, AI and all that stuff. So let's start simple. This is very easily done, and I'm happy to show you this. And so if you have any questions with what I'm doing or any other thing when it comes to making money online, please hop on over to my Facebook group, my 100K Affiliate Mastery Facebook group, where I'm in there once a week, sharing training, responding to questions and comments and stuff. And it's an awesome community of other people in your shoes as well, beginners and expert. So what I'm going to be showing you is how to build a business using mini courses, mini memberships. We don't need something big. You don't need to be charging $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 for a course, making 20 different videos and all that nonsense. There's a time and a place for that, but here you don't have to. All right. I'm just going to flip over. And this is one of mine that I'm beginning to build. Now I have probably about 3 or 4 different courses, and I have another free one that you guys can all have. I used to charge $37 per month for it. It is called Affiliate Marketing Hacks for Business Owners. You can go ahead and grab that down below in the description or within the comments wherever I place it. That is to teach you how to build an affiliate marketing business for free, what I have done. Now, it only takes you to a certain extent, definitely gives you the basic and groundwork. If you really want to know like everything to be very profitable, to turn profit month upon month, then I recommend you check out the link of my #1 recommended course. It's a program that I took from Spencer Meekum, phenomenal guy. He makes over $1 million per year doing these same techniques. Nonetheless, this page right here is of my 30-day YouTube domination course that I created. You can do this, guys. You can do this with anything. I made a landing page. It's a beautiful funnel. And the first thing I would tell you is to first think about something that you've gotten results with. Whatever you've gotten results with is what you can teach. You don't have to be an expert, but if you can teach what you've done well and you've gotten results on something and you can teach somebody else how to do it to get the same results as you, if not better, then you can create a course with it. I know somebody who does fitness coaching. I've heard of a guy who has taught people handstands, and he actually charges like $5,000 to do that. We're not talking about those types of courses, but the fact that he's teaching people how to do a handstand and a lot of people are buying. I mean, he's making a good living, means that you can pretty much make a course about anything. All right. Soap making, gardening, woodworking. I know a guy who does wooden floors. I'm probably going to help him build his course. There's tons of other stuff out there. But the cool thing about what I'm teaching, the reason why this technique works so well is because when you click on a button, look, I got some testimonials, right? When you click the button, I'm only charging $7 per month for this course. I would like to challenge you, if you're just beginning, $7 per month is a good start. But definitely if you can build something up to $37, $47, $97 per month is a little bit more difficult, but definitely $7. I would say the sweet spot is between 7 and I'm thinking 17, but I'll say 27. Okay. For some reason, $29 per month sounds too much. 27 sounds better than 29. I would love $37 courses. The thing is that with most people who teaches a $37 per month program, most people get out within about 3 months. And so if you can create a program that brings you monthly recurring revenue for the whole year, that means whatever 12 times 7 is, it's a good amount of money. Each person is worth that amount. Maybe you can put upsells in there. You can put other people's programs. Well, I'll just show you. Hold on one second. As you see here, I logged into my course, 30-Day YouTube Domination. I teach people how to dominate their YouTube channels within 30 days so that they can gain their first 100 to 1,000 subscribers, gain authority, and also eventually learn how to make money, right? And within this course, it's very simple. I just have a few different modules. Some have more than others. This is a bonus module. I gave all types within a bonus. I'm doing live calls once a week. And then I have Six-Figure YouTuber, which is an upsell of, I believe, $17, $17 or $37, depending on how you purchase it. If you get it from the order page, I give you the option to get it for $17. If you get it after that, and if you choose not to get it at that point and you want to get it later, it's $37. And this is really cool, right? The only thing that you have to do, I came up with 7 different modules plus some bonus content. I can do that because I have been able to produce results with YouTube all day, every day, which is what I do with you guys. And if you have something that you are good at, something that you want to teach, maybe teach somebody how to draw, maybe teach, I know somebody who can beatbox really well. You can easily charge $7 per month for a membership program. Now, here's the cool part. $7 per month, $9.99 per month, $14.99 per month. Ideally, if you can stay under $10 a month and you are able to get 50 people to sign up at $9.99 per month, every single month, that is money that is going to be recurring. That's phenomenal. Okay. You can bank on that money. You can count on that money as you are getting more people to jump into your program. That's why it's so cool. So how do you do this? Step number 2, which after you've figured out what you want to do it in, step number 2 is to break down your specialty into 3 to 5 different parts. You are going to make videos of those things. Those 3 to 5 different parts are going to be your modules. If you have more, you can do that. Don't make it extensive. Don't make more than 7. 3 to 7. If you're going to only have 3 modules, have multiple videos or multiple segments. Break it down. We don't need videos of 25, 30 minutes. Break them down into bite-sized 3 to 8 minutes at most. I'm giving you guys a secret formula. I paid a lot of money to learn this stuff, how to do it myself. And now you have the outline of your course. Step 3 is to record your videos or audio. I know somebody who does audio within her self-development course to teach you how to thrive and go from poor to rich. It's really like a Bob Proctor type of thing. It's really dope. I work with her. Her name is Christina Tassiao. After you've done that, you are then going to use a platform such as this. I use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels makes it very easy to point, click, drag, drop, backspace, and all that stuff. And you are able to produce something of a professional value by the click of a button. This literally only takes me a few minutes to create, seriously. And then, of course, somebody can come here and click play. And look, I don't even. This is a very. I still need to make some adjustments because I've been making adjustments. I'm actually revamping this particular course so that I can charge more than $7 per month. But that's the name of the game, okay? And the next step, the last step, is going to be promoting your course, all right? By the way, if you want to get ClickFunnels for a discounted price, I have a link for that down below in the description as well. I highly advise that you take advantage of that because you can save, I think, you're paying 10 months. You're paying for 12 months at the amount that you're paid for 10 months. So you're saving a lot of money, okay? But promote it. And I use Google Ads to promote this one. I have Facebook ads. I can promote it that way, but right now I'm currently doing a case study on how to build your first $50,000 business with Google Ads and a mini membership program. So if you want to learn how to do that, you want to go step by step, I'm starting from zero as if I'm a nobody, if I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm showing you all the data, everything step by step with Google Ads, guys, all right? I'm showing you link tracking, all of that, right? I'm kind of showing you how to do it with affiliate marketing at the same time, but really I'm focusing on promoting your own program so that you can have your monthly recurring revenue so that you can get 100% of the commissions. So if you have any questions on that, first of all, you can check this video up here if you're interested in that. But if you have any other questions, go ahead, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, drop those comments down inside the comment box. Don't forget to click this video over here on my side to check out how to begin starting your program, promoting your program with Google Ads. All right, guys, so I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to check out the description with all the cool stuff I got for you. Definitely check out that #1 recommended source if you're looking to start affiliate marketing, growing a profitable business outside of this. All right, guys, we'll see you soon.